So my roommate got a package in the mail today and he's super excited because he got a knife sharpener from Whetstone. Should show them sharpening knives, so that's what we're doing. Sharpening some knives.
So we start the knife sharpening adventure by showing what their knives already were. Dull as fuck.
Pre-sharpen our knives cannot, okay, with difficulty, can penetrate paper. Oh, okay. So that one was kind of sharp to begin with, I guess. All right, so that's what a knife's supposed to do, I guess.
Life Lesson King here to give you a life lesson. Don't judge a book by its cover, because the ugliest knife did the best stuff. So, ugly people are cool.
Let's try and cut a tomato here.
He's squishing his tomato. You don't want that. You don't want all your tomato guts out on the cutting board. Kind of seems like we have like an almost sharp knife. We got at least one good one in the bunch. It's the one without the tip.
As you very well know, the most dangerous thing in the kitchen is an unsharp knife.
As a previous knife salesman, I can tell you that that is in fact factual. Also, he's using the wrong knives to cut those damn tomatoes, and it's been driving me crazy.
Why are you wetting it?
Not really sure.
Did you like read the instructions or something?
Watch some YouTube videos. So you don't want to let it soak too long, but basically it's a slight abrasive, so it'll sharpen. You know, once you got it all wetted up, it's go time. Now there's a particular technique you're supposed to use, but I don't really remember what that is.
Fair enough.
So we're just gonna kind of wing it.
All right. What do the two colors like represent?
There's two different grits in there, two different sizes.
3,000 and 8,000. Real interesting stuff. Groundbreaking.
Guys, I'm telling you, this Whetstone invention is gonna be groundbreaking. People are not gonna understand how great this Whetstone is. It's Whetstone. You can sharpen your knives with it.
That's like kind of what I was thinking with the
Jared,
virtual
shut the fuck up about
reality.
your virtual reality. Nobody cares about. I'm talking about Whetstone here, people.
So they're all wet now, and
All wetted up. What you want to do is get the right angle. Whetstone ain't wet enough.
just look at that concentration.
Now you'll notice all those metal shavings.
Yeah, you're shaving it away.
Sometimes you gotta shave it away to get it better.
Getting all the angles. It's pretty intense stuff.
You have the insider commentary.
I mean, it's been a pretty riveting process.
So what Grace probably didn't know is that these little like things in the knife are called rivets, and she made a really good pun, and I'm really proud of her on accident.
He's pressing down pretty hard. Extremely concentrated. Do you do it for the same amount of time on each side, or?
They say there's a dominant side of the knife and a less dominant side of the knife. Although, I'm not sure what any of that really means. So we're just gonna wing it.
Okay.
See how this works. You want to maintain about a 20-degree angle as you're sharpening your knife.
20 degrees. It's like oozing.
You say that's a sign of great success. What's that hissing sound?
Alright. So we rinsed off the first knife.
It does look sharper. The blade looks pretty good. Can we get in there on that?
Oh yeah.
That looks really good, actually.
Ooh.
We'll see if we can cut paper this time.
Yeah. Should I get more paper?
Oh,
Got better. Okay.
It's getting there. All right, let's show you a little bit more
A
work.
little bit more. Because we want to be able to slice paper while holding it midair. For some reason. Oh, I see. I like this approach. Maybe you get a bird's eye view. See how that's going. Your belly button's in this shot.
That's hot.
Oh yeah.
On today's episode of Cooking with Your Minge,
Cooking with your minge, yeah.
we're going to be sharpening some knives. So there's nothing more dangerous in the kitchen than an unsharp knife. Although I've never cut myself with an unsharp knife, and I usually only cut myself with sharp ones.
So like we're using the 3000 gradient. Is that what you call
Grit.
it?
3000 grit.
3000 grit right now. Would the 8000 make it sharper?
Probably.
Why don't we use that?
It's like a wise man once said, you know, you don't start to pack your bucket full of sand before you put the steps in it.
No man, we've been stroking that thing for like 10 minutes. 5 minutes, you think?
I feel like we need new paper. Ooh.
I don't know, dude.
That is definitely progress.
Yeah. I mean, plus
You
like,
can almost cut now.
think about how holding it, like, you're like making it hard for the knife, you know?
Alright, I say we move on.
We're moving on to the next knife.
Moving on to the next grit.
Ooh.
All kinds of stepped up.
See if we increase the grit, gonna get a sharper knife, be able to slice through paper while we're holding it with one hand.
So this new grit is much like myself, extra fine. So let's see how this goes. I'm extra fine.
We'll see. Yeah, let us know in the comments if you think he's extra fine. I feel like you're taking a lot of different like strategies, like you're coming at it at all angles, and I'm really just confused on
I'm pretty confused too. Maybe we should watch another video on this.
I like the aerial shots.
I'm actually a master craftsman and forger. Made this knife myself.
Yeah, I watched him do it. It's really cool.
So if you see Hampton Forge on there, I'd just be forging that all day. There my forge.
He's really slowed it down and gotten super intense. Holding it at that 20-degree angle. Just taking it back and forth. Being sure to get all parts of the knife, even down to here on the tip. We just figured out it just scrapes the rust right off as well.
Yeah, in case you got a rusty knife at your house.
Nice.
Don't throw it out. Hit it with the sandstone. Okay. See how we've done. Let's hit the tomato test.
I feel like the tomato test is a better test. Paper test is a weird one.
Tomato test for your true sharpness here.
Still questionable. We got some guts coming out. Definitely better. I would say we've improved. Yeah, I think we need to improve our strategy.
Yeah.
Now sharpening. Because like it seems to be at least partially effective. Now I just have more tomatoes to eat. Aww. Brett's trying to sharpen the knife I got him on my road trip. What a good roommate I am. We forgot to do a sharpness test before we sharpened this one.
It was pretty crappy.
But it was crappy.
One of the worst knives you could possibly
Okay,
have.
whoa, yeah. I mean, I guess.
It's a thought that counts.
Out of sheer frustration, it seems, we've moved on to the knife that was sharper to begin with. You know, the one that lacks a tip.
Anybody knows where the tip of my knife went? Please let me know.
But yeah, he seems to be getting much more intense about it. You know, like really grinding this baby against the stone. Putting lots of pressure.
There's still chips in there. So, let's see if it got any sharper.
Tomato cutting.
Straight for the tomato test. Oh, cuts like butter.
Like butter! Oh, dude! Sick! We did it. Look at that. Shing. 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 Shing.
Okay.
Shing. That is pretty cool. Do the paper. Oh, dude. All right, we have a successful knife. That is so sick. Damn.
The fact that I cut that tomato so well, I'm pretty happy about that.
Yeah. We need some lower grittage. We're too fine out here.
These knives are in rough shape.
Yeah, they are. Terrible knives also. The sharpening process is pretty intense, but can't forget about her little pup. She's got a little potty, huh? I'm gonna stay focused. Go frolic, sweet baby angel. Go frolic. I love you. I love you so much. Frolic everywhere except for in the garden that you regularly like to ruin. Oh, she's pooping. Kiss the out. Hi, sweetie. Wow, that's a nice healthy poop you got going there. Look at that. Beautiful, rust-free knife. Call that a win. So, I'm confused. Like, this stuff oozing on the sides, is that the rock itself?
Yes.
Damn. So, if you use these regularly, will they, like, disappear?
I mean, they're gonna wear down every time. You'll need to get a new one, but this should last a long, long time.
How much did this cost, if you don't mind me asking?
$20 whole dollars.
$20 whole dollars to sharpen and make your knives rust-free? Sounds worth it.
They're definitely sharper than they were to begin with.
It wasn't as effective as we thought, but that might just be because we lack
We have
skill.
really shitty knives, too.
And we have really, really shitty knives. Like, just the lowest quality, you know? Those ones that you just find at Walmart. Obviously the lowest price.
Always the lowest price.
Always. I mean, well, that just comes with balling on a budget, though.
Walmart, if you want to sponsor us, you know, send the mail.
How long have we been at this?
I don't know. Yeah, this is definitely a slow process.
Yeah, you gotta commit like, at least 30 minutes.
Ooh!
Oh! Did that just... Oh!
Bro.
Okay! Okay! Dude, that is nice.
Hey, we got a usable knife now.
Alright, one
That ain't bad.
and two knives. I mean, I get that one doesn't have a tip, but like, still. We got 2 quality knives in this bitch. This tomato is from our garden, by the way, because we're also gardeners on the side of being, what did you say we are, forgers?
Ancient knife sharpeners.
Ah.
We started a, what do they call those things? A forge? No. A clan? What do the Scottish people have? They're all part of like this thing. Yeah, we come from a great family of a crust of knife sharpeners.
It's so clear we don't know what we're talking about. Tomato is like mutilated.
I feel like my technique has severely improved.
Definitely.
I would just like to thank, you know, number one, my Lord and Savior Jesus, followed by my parents, and again, thank you, Jesus. You gonna cut that thing or not?
No, I'm not. My left hand can't do it.
We need like a strap for your head.
So look at that. I don't know. I don't know if your knives can cut boxes like that easily. Like, I'm not really applying that much pressure. I don't know. I'm impressed. I approve of the whetstone. Anything ill I might have said about it before is...
Yeah, it's probably just my fault. It takes a little bit getting used to.
It's his lack of strategy and skill.
Sure.
But it improved.
Sometimes you just gotta sharpen your knives for an hour.
Why were they sharpening knives? This is awesome. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you learned something. Maybe you didn't. We make videos every Wednesday though, so maybe come back.